Hello everyone and welcome to this online training video. Today we're going to run you through how to do shampooing and conditioning. So first you want to apply your hairdressing cape to your client. This just provides a waterproof barrier. Then go ahead and apply a towel to your client. This will just ensure that they don't get wet and also make leaning back on the basin more comfortable, as that rubber application does as well. Now you just want to bring all of the hair into the basin and tell your client to lean back. First, check the water temperature on your wrist. And also check the water temperature with your client. When using the shower, you want to make sure that you keep the shower head close to the head of the client to control water flow. You want to just keep using the shower until all of the hair is wet. Now to apply the first shampoo. Use the effleurage technique to apply the shampoo to the client's head. This is using stroking motions. You then want to change into friction massage to work the shampoo into the hair. Friction massage is fast movements which allows the shampoo to emulsify. You'll notice we're not really applying shampoo to the ends of the hair. Generally, you want to apply shampoo to the roots of the hair and then conditioner to the ends of the hair. Once all of the hair has been covered, you can then go ahead and rinse. Checking the temperature on your wrist and with the client. Drain the water away. Remove excess water from the hair. And move on to the second shampoo. Using the same process as the first shampoo, you want to apply using effleurage and then use friction massage to emulsify the shampoo. Now again, check the temperature on your wrist and with your client and rinse the second shampoo. Check for any bubbles in the hair. Then go ahead and drain the water and remove excess water from the hair. Again, here we are just checking for any bubbles that may be left in the hair. So now we're moving on to conditioner. With conditioner, you want to apply it to the length and the ends of the hair. Don't apply the conditioner directly to the scalp, as this will make the scalp very greasy. With the leftover conditioner on your hand, you can apply this through the scalp just to give a bit of moisture to the hair, but it's a minimal amount of product. Now we are moving on to the massage section using the petrissage massage technique. This is a kneading motion to help with blood flow and relaxation. You also want to lift the client's head and massage the neck. So you want to make sure that your hands are continuously on the client's head until you finish, and then also don't run your fingers through the hair. Because it's wet, your fingers aren't going to run smoothly through the hair, so it's just going to feel like not a great sensation for the client. We're now going to rinse the conditioner off the hair, making sure you check the water temperature on your wrist and with your client. Just do your final check for any bubbles still left in the hair and remove any excess water. Then just finish off by putting the hair into a towel wrap. So that is it for this tutorial on shampooing and conditioning. Thanks for watching.